TJ camera right now, dude.
What the fuck?
Yeah, YouTube. How you doing? My name's TJ. Cam, nice to meet you. Oh, TJ Cam just fell right now, so. But yeah, so right now. Hey, how you doing? So where are you from? Oh, from here? Oh, can you get your name or? Rich. Rich? All right. Well, nice to meet you, Rich. You're on TJ Camera. All right. YouTube.com/HandsomeDogTV. All right.
Right now?
Well, we're waiting on.
Oh, how are you? Is Rich part of your homies? Oh, Rich. Oh, shoot. I thought, hey, my name's TJ. Yeah. Oh, shoot. You're on the TJ Camera right now. So, you know.
Why are you going to the beach? Where?
Laguna Beach for my birthday. My birthday was on Wednesday.
No, I know,
Okay, but
September 2nd.
I don't know. Is it the white one?
What'd you get?
Pina colada.
Pina colada? Yeah, this is Mahalo mango.
Can I get one?